decided to do this. But I will, because why not? But first, let me just tell people that I am streaming. That I will need to open my trusty browser. Yeah. Okay. Now I can do this. So here I'm gonna experiment a little bit because as you can see, these shoulders do not look normal. My reference image is a little messed up. And that is even more messed up. This should be fine-ish. If it works, then no complaints from me. It's hard to position this microphone while, my graphic tablet is here. I don't need to draw that part. Just this. I mean, I don't use drafts in most pages anyway. Like, only a few. Now to do the same with the other part, but should I? No, I'm just gonna do this part. Here I need precision. And by precision, I mean no one is going to look into this part. Why am I even drawing it? If it works, then don't fix it. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to, look. Not even look good, just look. And just add these to hide the absurd gap. Add this, throw this in. What I've done before is just move this a little upwards and it'll work. Oh yeah, and my webcam, it can't really see my face, so the YouTuber avatar thing just does something of its own, I guess. I try to. Oops. It's something like You know what? I'm doing this now. I'm adding this. So you know what I'm working with. I'm not gonna turn on the lights because I don't need those. Lights are for losers. I'm not a loser, I'm a being. And yes, this is actually how I draw stuff. Just rotating it in my hand. Don't know why. And yes, I fill these parts up like this too. But hey, if it works, then no need to complain. This too, yeah, that's important. Yep, yep. These parts too. And then the unimportant part. It's asymmetrical. Uh, C plus for effort. And by efforts, I mean I put literally no effort into this thing. This isn't even my own design. I just wanted to add my friend. Because hey, why not? He's my friend. He's not here with us right now. He's on vacation. Fun fact, he also appears in the first chapter. Like, find him real quick. By the first chapter, I mean the first page. Kind of the same thing if you think about it. But let me pull this up. As you can see, I had way more motivation back then. We had proper shading and backgrounds and stuff like this. Blushing effects and iris. The characters don't have irises anymore. No. The quality of the work I do literally depends on the motivation I have. Here, this character, I was so freaking motivated to do this. Yeah, you can see it either way. It doesn't really matter. So I just did it. It's motivation. Discipline does not work on me. It's all motivation. And I was motivated to put my friend into this. Was that a good decision? I'll let you be the judge of that. I'm not the reader. I mean, I do read it, but I cannot judge my own work. I will only shade the hair and the tie. The rest does not matter. And it's actually better if it looks jagged, like, hey, this person is cool, he's been through stuff, he's rough. And he has to be rough because, hey, this is an inspector, this is a detective, and he actually has powers. He's a portrayer, as we call them in this manga, of sorts, I guess. I don't know why you're asking me. You aren't even. No one is even here. I'm talking to myself. I am a psychopath, a maniac, blah blah blah. Ah, where did my mouse go? Okay, it's here. Let me just join this because why not? And if I can, then I can. No one can judge me. I'm in stream VC in my server, link in somewhere, I guess. Just go to my portfolio, you will eventually find it. You know, just go to https://gamemaster.net.tr. You can find everything there. All my work, my portfolio, my YouTube channel, my Discord's plural, you know, everything. Yeah. Nope. This task requires precision. Something I don't really care about. Now, what the hell did I do with the buttons here? Let's see. Page 17. Drag this here, because why not? Okay, I did nothing important. Let's just keep this in the background, don't save it. Phew, I don't want to lose this. Now, drawing circles, the biggest enemy of humanity, so good enough. Where is it? Oh wow, first try actually. Yay. Okay, this should be the last thing to draw here on this panel. I don't really have a normal workflow. I just do whatever comes to my hand first. Like finish a panel and then finish another one and add the dialogues last. That's my thing, you know. There aren't actually drafts. This is going to be the final image, I guess, drawing. And yeah. Don't worry, the VTuber avatar will be working fine the other half of the stream when I'm programming. And you know how I will draw these pants. I mean, you probably no one is there. I'm a psychopath. Woohoo! It's gonna make those black. Good enough. Just like I always say, if it works, then do not fix it. Whoops. Annoying. Now, let's see. I will work something out would be my response. Uh, uh, First, I will start with this. Then I will do this. And then I will do this. If it works, don't you dare try to fix it. literally the only philosophy in life that will lead you to somewhere. Don't trust anyone else. You can trust me. I advise you to not to trust me. Now there's nothing to do. I advised you to not trust me. But then what are you going to do? Should you trust me or shouldn't you? God damn it. Let me see this. Okay, I see how I did it. I'm just gonna open the if it works, don't fix it. Okay. The hell happened here? You know what? Those are high quality effects we will leave in. See this? Yeah, this. If it works, do not touch it. See, this is fine-ish, I guess. If he's imperfect, then let him be. Nothing in life is perfect. And it looks cooler if you think about it. Nope, nope, nope. Better. This and like yeah, ish. Okay. This part. I'm thinking how to do a concrete texture. I want to make a concrete texture. I don't know how to, I will figure something out. First, let me start with like this of cross-hatching. Then I will get the cloud tool and make it an eraser. And then I will get this. Copy this layer and get this. That is not what I meant. Copy this layer and do this. Kind of blurs into each other. I mean, it just needs to look cool, right? Doesn't need to be a concrete texture. I should actually move this to here. I mean, no one's going to talk in the chat anyway, so who even cares? I like rotate it a little bit. And then It's okay, it's okay. I would just need to take something like, would this work? Oh, where is the, not something like that. Can I use color? Ah, why did I leave that option in? I'm not gonna do that. Take that. I mean, not, what do you mean by take that? What do I mean by that? So I take this, put that, and edit total correction. Filter, maybe some effects. Oh, chromatic aberration. Nope. And that's it. That's the final thing. Okay. Now to here. I think I have an idea. First, let me find something. I have an idea. Let me introduce the characters that are in page 12, I think. The worst page in existence. It's time to introduce these characters. Let me just open this and put it somewhere because I am not going to remember the designs. Do I need to remember the designs? Anyways, let me just get this boy in quotes. Use 3D plus materials. Okay, I can explain. Or can I? I'm not sure. So how would I put this? Yeah, I'm gonna make the main inspection team Visa and two femboys, which I've designed beforehand. They're gonna be twins, actually. Twin things. LMAO. Twin things. Yeah. Actually, let me close page 17 and open page 12 in, Clip Studio, because I've added too many effects that I cannot see the things in. So that's gone. Can I unripple this? Let me try to do something then. Filter effects, distort, no, distort, a wave. Maybe I can unwave it, like reverse engineer. No, I cannot. You know what? F that, we ain't doing that. The design is already in my head. What am I talking about? I just need to think about it. Let me add some banks or whatever these called. because apparently cat boys have them. I'm gonna add headphones or whatever. I do not. Oh god, I just realized I don't know how to make them. No. No. How do I put this? Cat design. It's harder to draw when I'm streaming. You know what? Too close to general nowadays. Too small. Wait, I need to make a joke real quick. Let me open my trusty browser again. Oops, misspelled that. Too soon. You have awoken me too soon. Okay, that was a joke that no one understood. Let's make it long, like really, really long-ish. Trust me, I know how to handle this. I think. No, no, no. Excuse me. One of the twins. Enough of this. But they were going to have goggles later in the manga anyway, so why shouldn't I just give them now? Because, hey, that means I don't need to draw eyes. Some goggles like this. Yeah, I have an idea on how to shade. Ooh, that eraser is way too big. I mean, yes, this is a femboy, but please, respect. I hate my life. Why did I say that now? But the only thing one needs to do is follow the guidelines. and use your imagination, then it works. That's the only thing I need to say. It works. Doesn't need to work pretty, let's just say. It just needs to work. Like, does Yandere Simulator work? It does. And you know Yandere Simulator's code, like everyone knows that. Yeah, yeah. Streams are boring without Visa. I mean, I'm not bored right now, but still. I could have been listening to music, which I so desired. If that's what I desired, then why am I doing this? Oh yeah. I want to milk every moment of my work. Like, I haven't decided on the outfit yet. What am I doing? Actually, I haven't. I have no idea how to do that. Something. It's gonna be a suit, I know that much. Black suit. Pure black suit. And then some naming stuff on top, because why not? What? Oh, okay. Should probably save it. Doesn't really matter right now, so hey, who cares? No one. Who will care? No one. Who should care? No one. It's just gonna be pure black, and I'll add some details. Like, up to here, maybe. That is not an apron, but apron. That is not an apron, but trust me, trust the process. Now, just do this and put the cool P. And I have an idea. The cool P is going to be this. It's gonna be this. God forgive my sins. Oh God. It really does look like that. The anatomy has failed me too. This one won't have a background because it does not need to have a background to exist. Like, tell me, are you a background? I mean, do you have a background? No, you don't, because you don't even exist. You know, things are easier to do when you can pretend there's someone there. Someone there watching you. It also keeps you from using profanity words or doing something unnecessary, let's just say. Good advice from me, by the way. Yeah, if it works, then don't fix it, said one man, and then copied the other. No. This will be painful. And I can guarantee that this will inflict so much suffering that I will not know what to do any. You kidding me, mate? You kidding me? What? Select. Expand selected area. It's 2. Oh, you still have not learned your lesson, mate. Okay, so I'm just gonna discern here. It's something like that. Reduce the opacity, but get the eraser, soft one, of course. What's wrong with this? Think of the outcome. Just add some stuff. It will work. I swear. If it does not, who asked? No, but that's it from me. That's it. Do the rest yourself. I mean, I'm the one telling myself to do this, so. Yay! This is pure agony. I don't. I love working, but I also hate it at the same time. This is a curse. I've been cursed. What? I'm gonna color it first. This is gonna be the blue one, and then turn it colorless. Oh, you colorless monster. Hmm. Come on. You kidding me? You. I need more detail. Now he just looks like Steve Jobs. I wish I was joking. Steve Jobs FM. I do not want to disrespect him. He was actually a cool guy, but still. My humor is not safe. Let's just say. If you want to live, stay away from me and my group chats. Don't worry, I'll fix it later. Listen, right. It doesn't need to look pretty, is what I will say now. Oh god, this is one of the worst panels of all time. I'm just not in the mood right now. Not motivated. I just want to stream and that's it. You know what? I will leave this page for tomorrow and focus on something more important. Programming. Alt F4 this, Alt F4 that. Let me fix my setup real quick. No, HIPAA is always great. Working on HIPAA, yes. The thing is, I don't know what I did last time, so we'll just need to figure that out. Let me open HipR. Yep. So I cannot understand this. I'm just going to GitHub. Who the hell is this? HipR web components pages home.racer blame. Okay, 2 months ago. Yes, maybe has error codes. Okay. What we did last stream. Aquamarine. Ah, yes. Oh, but if I remember correctly, I've also removed the spring command because some stuff has happened with them, let's just say. Where the hell is it? Did I actually remove it? I hope I did. Ah, no, I haven't. Sayonara. Won't be missed. Goodbye. Yeah, I'll leave something here for you. Here lies the Doomcops. Never to be seen again. Sayonara. Goodbye. Losers. Let me make this a little bigger. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me check my devlog and see if there's something to do. If not, I've forgotten everything I needed to do. Let's see. Eh, let me check other to-dos then, if the last ones are all completed. Well, that's to-do. I don't know how to fix that one. That's for later. That is for later. Okay. I need more ideas. This is already a big flop, so I don't really care. Hmm. I need to switch over to Astolfo to understand the code because for some reason I just cannot without it. The colors, they just they're just easier to understand when it's darker. Okay, I can see what I've written here. Okay, I know what we should work on. The thing is, I don't know math, so I need to pull up the, excuse me, greatest app in existence. Wait, where is the comment? Here. Yeah, what was I doing again? I forgot. Oh, okay, I remember. Yeah. Huh? What? Also, why is it taking this long to open? Did I just open this too? I wonder which one opened. It doesn't really matter. I have .NET installed, so okay. Ignore everything. Let's just write some errors. We need more errors. Like, let me open something. Common computer errors. blue screen. We have the green meditation PC fans overheating. Yeah, we can make something like that. Let's just say if it's overheating, we'll first drop a message, red warning. Maybe we will add a timer. Start timer. Give clues on what to do. Clues like stop all background processes, remove. No, I want to do that. I want to do that. But this, yeah, this is something I will add right now, actually. What was I doing here? I still need to make this bigger. Yeah. What was I doing here? Silly good old me. What the hell was I doing here? It doesn't matter. I don't care. Don't I have any normal processes like this one? Take this. Process. Execute. Oh, but this is not your average execute command. This will execute the process, like kill it, stop it. It's like, oops. So anyways, what time is this? 1 a.m.? Yeah, cool. Which process would you like to execute? Not. Nope. Let me remove that. Wrong key commands. Yeah. Annoying me. This is the RAM command. Let's see. Yeah. Exec2. Type. Process. Execute. List. Sorry, I'll fix that right now. To see the list of running processes. No, I have an idea. Let's execute dash dash list. E-list. 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 First, I will remove this actually. Okay, so let me get old code. Remove that F. No, I need another list. Not then command item class. Running. This is called running. Maybe I do need a class, don't I? Yeah. C# make string list. Okay, list then string. Just gonna put string in. No, not gonna do anything. String. String. Yeah. Yeah. And if there are any background process, then that's what we do. On initialize, we should also, just add something to this. How do we add it though? It's string. Yeah. Trusty Google. C#. Not just C. List. Thank you. Not gonna use it. No, what? It's documentation. I do love it though. Okay, okay. So what is the thing called again? I'm just gonna call it, is it just list? running add hyper graphical processing.exe. Hyper AI. Hyper AI CPU com Hyper AI GPU com Hyper power management. Let's just have these for now. Okay, let's just have these. But how am I going to do this? It doesn't matter. Just random stuff. Command list add. Wait, no. Run. That's to array maybe. To string. That's already a string. C# for each item in list. Just random. Whatever works for each string. Nope. Deep breaths, everybody. Deep breaths. There is our thing. Yeah, this used to be fine before I started to mess with it, so running. Maybe. List was C sharp. Names we have running. So result and let's see if it works. Deep breath, deep breath. Process execute list. Okay, let's change some things. Fine, trust me. No, what builders are we talking about? I see a single semicolon. I messed up. I'm dumb. The other way around. See, yeah. I am an ideal. Or do I? No, I don't. Or do I? Sharp string with multiple lines. A E E Gränspräsident Force. Doesn't matter if it works, then it works. I'm just gonna try this one. Something list. What am I talking about? Execute. Let's just choose a random one, like hiparai.exe. Yeah. hiparai.exe. Execution successful. And warning that we have removed it. We have removed hiparai.exe. Process execute list process execute hiparai.exe. Yeah, sometimes that happens. I just need to restart it. I swear it will work this time. So, process execute list. I am certain it should work. Huh? 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 Do I have to make it? You're scaring me, pals. You're scaring me. Execute list slash dash list. Yeah, it's good enough. I'm stopping the stream here. Goodbye. Yeah. Pain. Bugs.